guys, and welcome back to another video. So today I'm coming to you guys with a Love Me hair review on this headband wig that I recently just purchased. And y'all, let me tell you, it is so cute. It's everything that I needed and more, and everything that I thought I needed and more, right? So I ordered this wig. Let me just tell you like a little background. I ordered the wig maybe Monday. It came in on Friday. Today is Sunday. So let me tell y'all that like I'm hype. I am so hype about this wig. So I don't know if you guys are familiar with Love Me hair, but this is the box that it came in. It's so cute. Purple's my favorite color. It came with a bow on it, and so I just want to show you guys what it looks like, how it's styled, show you how I put it on, how I apply my wig, and just a really easy, simple, beginner friendly headband wig tutorial and how I rock this style. Like, I just feel like people are gonna be like, is that your real hair? And I'm like, mind your business. But yeah, so the box comes in really pretty, this really pretty purple, royal purple, and the inside it says enjoy your hair journey from now on. That's so cute. It comes like this. And so I bought two wigs originally. This is the bob. I will have the link to this bob and the exact link to this in the description box. This is the bob. This is a 12-inch, and I believe it's straight or just a natural state of hair. It comes in this cute bag, and then it comes with the net, and then you can pull the wig out. It also comes with so many goodies, y'all. Oh my goodness, there's so much stuff in this box. It comes with about 5 headbands, all of these here. And then you get, what is this? Let me see. I love getting extra stuff. Like, I didn't ask for this. Thank y'all. Then it comes with this little cute pouch. On the front it says Love Me Hair Affordable Luxury Wig. And then let's see what we got on the inside. Oh, really everything you need to rock a headband wig. You got bobby pins. Let's see, we got edge control brush. What? Stop lying. Tweezers. I'm getting excited, y'all. I need this. Oh my goodness. It's like, I use these to tie up my edges. I pretty much get them all the time when I order wigs. But it's like a satin scarf to go around your edges. It comes with an elastic band. Oh, this is so cute. And then it also has this really cute clamp that says Love Me on it. Oh my God. That's so cute. I love getting all this cute stuff. Perfect. I'm gonna put all this back in here. The wig is so cute, y'all. Let me tell y'all. Let's get into it. Let me show you guys how I style this wig, how I put it on, how everything goes with it, how it originally looks outside of the bag when you first get it. I didn't get any shedding, no weird smell to it, but it's so cute, so nice, so soft. Only thing I did was remove the bumps in it because it was giving me, you know, different vibes that I wasn't going for. But after I straightened it, I am in love with it. Like, so cute, so pretty. Okay, so hey guys, and let's get to applying this wig, right? So it came with this wig cap, which was already in the box. Y'all know I would never wear a wig cap this color, but it's perfect for what I'm gonna use it for. I just have this on. I have my hair slicked back into a bun in the back, a little bitty bun, and I just like kind of just put some gel on my hair and just slicked it back. This is for the easy girls, the easy way out, y'all. Don't gotta do the cornrows because I don't know how to braid to the scalp, you know, like that. So this is the easy way out, y'all. Really beginner friendly on how to apply this wig and throw it on. So let me show y'all. So the wig comes like this. It actually comes with a net around it, but I kind of took it out the net, and then it comes in this really cute bag. So cute. And the bag just says Love Me Affordable Luxury Wig, and it has the website on the front of it. But here's the wig. It comes like this. It has 2 combs on the inside here, so that you can clamp this into your hair. There is another comb in the back for your nape area, and then it comes with this super easy Velcro strap. Like, come on now. just as easy as that. Like, it sounds easy. That's how easy it is. So this is so cute. So let me get to putting it on. Let's just see how we coming, what the girl's looking like. Let's see. Oop. No. And I'm literally not using the combs because sometimes the combs can hurt my head. So I'm just using the Velcro strap in the back, and it is snug, honey. It is snug. It's not going nowhere. I'm gonna pull this back off of my hair a little bit. Okay. The hair is so soft. It's so soft, so silky. Okay. Not bad. And I'm just combing it also just to see if I get some shedding. Like just a little bit, and this is like give or take, you know. Hair will do that. So cute. Oh my goodness. Okay, bump. Giving the girls a little Dora the Explorer. This is cute, y'all. Okay. Nice. I'm gonna pull it back just a little bit because I want a little bit more of my hair to show here. Because we're giving natural girl hair realness, okay? Is that your hair? Yeah, girl, it's my hair. Don't worry about it. So cute. It's so soft, y'all. Oh my goodness, so soft, so soft. Okay, and so in the back, I have like the Velcro sticking out. So I'm just gonna put the wig underneath that. And then I actually clamped it in the back. I clamped it. Okay, I'm just gonna take my flat irons and just kind of go through this and get this bump out. I want it to be straight. So I got my flat irons there on 375, and these are some digital titanium violet flat irons that I love. I'm not sure where I got these from, but they have been working magic on my hair. So I'm just taking some large pieces, honestly, and I just want to get the bump out because the hair is already straight, exactly how I kind of want it. So just getting this little Dora the Explorer bump out. So cute. Yes, there we go. And the ends are thick. You know how sometimes you can get a bob wig and the ends in the front? Well, maybe that's because this is a headband wig, but the ends in the front are usually pretty thin. It's full all the way through. I'm just literally running my flat irons through it on the lowest setting, and it's like getting straight. So, and it's so soft that I feel like I don't even have to put that much effort into it. So cute. Barely even parting my hair. These large pieces. Yo, this wig is so cute. Okay, love me. I love me wig. Y'all not lying. It's so easy. It's full. Look at this. Wow. That's so cute. Pretty. I just want to make sure I got all the bumps out because I don't want it to be bumpy clean in the back. Stiff wear. So cute. So cute. This is like, how long did it take me to do this? This is the quickest install. This is for the girls that I'm telling y'all, like, you over putting on the wig, getting getting the front of it right how you want it. This took me like 5 minutes to put on. So cute. Still wear. Yeah, it's really cute. I'm going to take just a little bit of my edge control, and this is the Edge Booster by Style Factory, and I'm just going to take a little bit of this and just kind of slick back my edges a little bit more, and just kind of make some baby hairs. Really nice. The back isn't bulky because I told you my hair is just in a ponytail, so you can't even tell that I don't have braids under here. It's really that easy, and it's so cute. So cute. Okay, so I want to try on a few headbands with this. The ones that they sent me about 4 or 5 of them. So I'll show you guys. So this is the package that they came in, and let's see what they look like. So I got this one, a plain pink one. This cheetah print is really cute. And then a plain taupe one, and then okay, army fatigue. So I think I want to do the cheetah because the cheetah looks really cute. I'll do 2 of them for y'all, just showing you. So they kind of come like this, where they have the knot in the front of them. Really cute, simple, easy. And this is usually how I do mine. I just flip it over, bring it down my neck, and then flip it back. Y'all tell me if it's an easier way, because this is wow, come on now. So cute, so easy, so simple. This took me like less than 5 minutes. I can't get over how quick this took me to do. Got some hair showing here. I could have brought down some sideburns, but honestly, like I said, my hair's dirty, so I didn't want to do that. But this is so cute on. Really pretty. So cute, right? Okay, so I'm not over this wig. It's too cute. I'm hyped looking in all the mirrors I got set up. So cute, y'all. Stiff wear. But so easy. I said I'll do 2, but honestly, I think this is the one I want to roll with for today. And this is a habit of me doing this so many times. I literally don't even have to do it. Y'all see I got a little Miss Curly bump out. And this is cute. The easiest, quickest install that I have done. So guys, that concludes my video for today. Thank you guys for stopping by, watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. If you like this video and you want to see more like this, leave a comment down below. Let me know that you guys been missing me, because I have been missing you guys too. And I got so much content, so much stuff mumble jumble up in there that I can't wait to give to y'all. Everything, like I said, will be linked in the description box if you want more details. I'll try to find some of these also on Amazon so that you guys can purchase some of these cute little fancy headbands. I believe I got this one at a pop-up shop my friend did, and I haven't had a chance to wear it, but now I'm really hyped to wear it because I got this cute little band, and you know, we finna go out. So cute. So thank you guys for stopping by. See you later.